This is Tuesday, October 14th, math homework for Math 8. Please write this problem down. You have 2/5 x plus 3 minus 8 equals 15. Now, when you have the problem copied down, I want you to stop the video. I want you to try the problem on your own, and then once you've tried the problem, turn the video back on and check your work and make sure yours looks exactly like mine. Okay, first thing I do is combine like terms. 2/5 x, I'm just recopying that. It's not a like term. Just recopied it. My like terms are the 3 and the -8. If you add 3 plus -8, you get minus 5 equals 15. I need to get the x by itself. I start by adding 5 to both sides. Always undo addition and subtraction first. 20 equals 2/3 x. Hope you remembered about the reciprocal. Multiply by the reciprocal on both sides. And then a fraction times its reciprocal is always 1. And 1 times x is x. And over here, if you do 20 times 3, you get 60, and 60 on the bottom, 1 times 2 is 2, divided by 2 is 30, so x is 30. Here's number 2. All right, copy this problem down. 1/3 x plus 7 minus 2/3 x equals 20. When you have the problem copied, turn the video off, try to do the problem without the video, and then check yourself. Okay, first we have to combine like terms. Negative 2/3 x and a positive 1/3 x is equal to negative 1/3 x. I still have the 7. Of course, I still have the equal and the 20. Subtract 7, subtract 7. 20 minus 7 is 13. This, of course, is gone. Negative 1/3 x. What's the reciprocal of 1/3? That would be 3 over 1. And that's a negative 3 over 1. And we're multiplying by that on both sides. Over here, a fraction times its reciprocal is always 1, and a negative times a negative is a positive, so this is x. Over here, negative 3, because it was negative 3 over 1, negative 3 times 13 is negative 39. Okay, here's the next problem. 3x plus 4, write this down, plus 6 minus 12x equal 50. Try to do the problem on your own, and when you have done the problem, turn the video back on and check yourself. JJ is being a turd and distracting me while I'm trying to record this, so if I sound a little off-center, it's all JJ's fault.
It's all your fault. You make.
Okay, like terms. You have 2 sets of like terms on this problem. Hope you caught both of them. First, let's put the 3x plus the negative 12x together. That's negative 9x. And then the 4 and the 6 added together is 10. And then over here, we have equals 50. So first we combined these for 10, and we combined 3x and negative 12x for negative 9x. Okay? You want the x by itself. First you need to get rid of the 10. Subtract 10. Subtract 10. 50 take away 10 is 40. And because these canceled, all you have left is the negative 9x. Divide by negative 9. Divide by negative 9. I know that 4 times 9 is 36, so negative 9 can go into 40 4 times, going to be a -4, because a positive divided by a negative is negative, and there will be 4/9 left. You're probably getting a decimal because you're probably using your calculator. Last problem. Write this down. -6x plus 7 minus 12x equals 30. Stop the video. Start it again when you've done the problem. Combine like terms. -18x plus 7 equal 30. Okay, I need the x by itself. I'm going to subtract 7 on both sides first. 30 take away 7 is 23. This cancels out. Okay, since this is multiplication, the opposite of multiplication is division. I'm going to divide by -18 here, divide by -18 here. Okay, over here, this is 1, and 1 times x is x. Over here, -18 can go into 23. 1 time, it's a negative because a positive divided by a negative is a negative always. And there's going to be 5 left over out of 18. You probably wrote -1.27 repeating, but in fraction form it's -1 5/18. And that's it.